Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Shrutika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Lodha Khopoli, which is located near Pen Road, Khopoli and developed by Lodha Group. And in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price unlike other current listing platforms. If you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में। लोधा खपोली will be constructed on 25 acres of land parcel consisting of 120 luxurious villas having 4 BHK with 2 balconies, 4 BHK with 3 balconies and 5 BHK with 3 balconies luxurious villas. And now let's talk about the location and the connectivity of the project. The project is just located near पेन रोड खपोली। और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है मुंबई सतारा हाईवे विद इन 5.7 किलोमीटर, इमेजिका विद इन 9 किलोमीटर एंड ऑल्सो खपोली विद इन 10 किलोमीter. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 40 plus luxurious amenities like kids play area, senior scout area, mountain viewpoint, outdoor games, indoor games, swimming pool and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Lodha Khopoli has 4 BHK with 2 balconies, 4 BHK with 3 balconies and 5 BHK with 3 balconies luxurious villas in it, and 4 BHK with 2 balconies with 3150 square feet and 4 BHK with 3 balconies with 4050 square feet and 5 BHK with 3 balconies with 5400 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project token windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the token process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of Lodha Khopoli, which is located near पेन रोड खपोली एंड डेवलप बाय लोधा ग्रुप्स। और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस क्लिक ऑन द गिवन बिलो लिंक एंड डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू हाउसी ऑन www.housey.com। तो चलिए अब हम मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.